Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're making the most decadent brownie sundae ice cream pie ever. It's a show-stopping treat that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Imagine a rich, fudgy brownie base topped with creamy ice cream and a crunchy peanut butter magic shell. Add your favorite toppings, sprinkles, nuts, chocolate chips, or a drizzle of caramel. Let's make some magic in the kitchen. Here we go. Your sweetest dream is about to come true. Let's meet our all-star ingredients. Each one plays a special role in creating a delicious and memorable dessert. For the brownie base, you'll need melted, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, eggs, pure vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, and, of course, a greased pie dish. These classic ingredients combine to form a rich, fudgy foundation for your pie. For the ice cream and magic shell, gather your favorite ice cream. Choose any flavor you love, plus creamy peanut butter, coconut oil, powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt. This combo creates an irresistible, luscious, crackly topping. For toppings, think whipped cream, colorful sprinkles, maraschino cherries, chopped nuts, hot fudge or caramel sauce, mini chocolate chips, or even crushed candy bars. The more options, the more fun. Gather everything before you start. Prepping ahead makes baking a breeze and helps you stay organized. It's the secret to stress-free dessert making. Think of your ingredients as the cast of a delicious play, each one ready to shine in its own way. Remember, the better the ingredients, the better the pie. Fresh, high-quality items make all the difference in taste and texture. Make a quick checklist and double-check your supplies. Being prepared means you can focus on the fun part, baking. Choose your favorite ice cream flavor, vanilla, coffee, chocolate, or anything you love. Don't be afraid to mix and match for a unique twist. The toppings are where you can get creative. Let your imagination run wild. Try new combinations and discover your personal favorite. This is your masterpiece, so pick what makes you happy. There are no rules, just delicious possibilities. With everything ready and your creativity flowing, you're set for a smooth, joyful baking experience. Let's get started and make something amazing together. It's time to bake our fudgy brownie base, the delicious foundation of our ultimate pie. This is where the magic begins, and every great dessert needs a show-stopping start. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and generously grease a 9-inch pie dish. This step ensures your brownies won't stick and will come out perfectly every time. In a large bowl, whisk together melted butter and sugar until smooth and glossy. This creates the signature fudgy texture we all love. Add in your cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Whisk until the batter turns rich and glossy, deepening the chocolate flavor. Mix in eggs one at a time, blending well after each addition, then add a splash of vanilla. Don't overmix. This keeps your brownies tender. Gently fold in the flour just until combined. Overmixing can make brownies tough, so be gentle for the best results. Pour the thick, chocolatey batter into your prepared dish and spread it out evenly with a spatula, making sure it reaches every edge. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs. Don't wait for it to be spotless. The slightly underbaked texture is perfect for the gooey, fudgy center, which makes these brownies irresistible. Let the brownie cool completely in the dish before moving on to the next step. This helps it set and makes layering easier. The kitchen will fill with the most fantastic chocolate aroma. Take a moment to enjoy it. It's one of the best parts of baking. This base is rich, dense, and perfectly chewy, ready to meet its ice cream partner for the next layer of deliciousness. Don't rush the cooling step. Patience pays off in the end. The wait is tough, but it's essential for the perfect pie. Remember, a warm brownie will melt your ice cream instantly, so be sure it's completely cool before you continue. Once your brownie base is cool, you're ready for the next delicious layer. Get excited. This brownie is truly the heart of your pie, providing a decadent, chocolatey foundation for everything to come. Every great dessert starts with a solid foundation, and this brownie base is as solid and scrumptious as it gets. You've nailed it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's keep going and make this dessert unforgettable. The hardest part? Waiting for it to cool. But trust us, the anticipation only makes that first bite sweeter. But trust us, it's absolutely worth it. Your patience will be rewarded with the perfect brownie base. Now, let's move on to the magic shell and take this dessert to the next level. While the brownie cools, let's make our peanut butter magic shell. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine creamy peanut butter and solid coconut oil. Microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring until smooth and melted. Whisk in powdered sugar and a pinch of salt for sweetness and balance. The result? A pourable golden sauce that hardens instantly on ice cream. If you prefer, melt everything gently on the stove. Stir until completely smooth, no lumps. Set the magic shell aside. It'll stay liquid while warm. This shell adds a nutty, crunchy surprise to every bite. It's simple, quick, and absolutely magical. You're just a step away from assembling your masterpiece. See? Magic really can be easy. Let's get ready to build our pie. The brownie is cool. The magic shell is ready. Let's assemble. Let your ice cream soften for 5 to 10 minutes so it's easy to spread. Scoop the ice cream onto the brownie base and smooth it into an even layer. Work quickly to keep it from melting. Pour the peanut butter magic shell over the ice cream, covering the surface. Watch as it hardens instantly. So satisfying. Add sprinkles now if you want them to stick to the shell. Place the pie in the freezer to set. Assembly complete. Just a little more patience. This is where all your hard work comes together. The pie just needs time to chill and set. You're almost at the finish line. Let's freeze it and get ready for toppings. Now we wait, the hardest part. Freeze your pie for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. This step ensures clean slices and a perfect texture. Find a flat spot in your freezer and cover the pie loosely. While you wait, prep your toppings. Chop nuts, crush candy, and warm your sauces. The anticipation will make that first bite even sweeter. After freezing, check that the pie is firm to the touch. All the layers are now set and ready for the grand finale. The wait is almost over. Get your toppings ready. It's almost showtime. Your patience will be rewarded. Let's finish this masterpiece. It's topping time. Let your creativity shine. Pipe or dollop whipped cream around the edge or all over the top. Drizzle with warm hot fudge or caramel sauce for extra decadence. Sprinkle on rainbow sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, and chopped nuts. Add maraschino cherries for that classic sundae look. Want more? Toss on mini chocolate chips, crushed cookies, or your favorite candy. There are no rules. Make it your own. Every topping adds color, crunch, and fun. This is your moment to go wild and celebrate. The pie is now a true showstopper. Stand back and admire your work. You've created a dessert masterpiece. Time to slice and enjoy. The big moment. Let's slice into your masterpiece. Use a sharp knife dipped in hot water for clean cuts. Wipe the knife between slices for perfect layers. Lift out a slice and marvel at the brownie, ice cream, and magic shell. Every bite is a mix of chewy, creamy, and crunchy. Serve up slices to friends or treat yourself. You've earned it. Dig in and savor every layer. This is more than dessert. It's a celebration. The flavors and textures are pure joy. You did it. Enjoy every bite. Share the moment with loved ones or keep it all to yourself. This pie is a reward for your creativity and patience. Dessert paradise is real and you made it. Take a bow. You're a dessert superstar. Relish the moment. You deserve it. What an adventure. Thank you for watching and baking along with us today. We hope this pie brought you joy and delicious memories. Share your creations on social media, tag us, or comment below with your twist. If you loved this treat, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more kitchen fun. Baking is about connection, creativity, and a little bit of magic. Keep your apron handy. There's always more to explore. Until next time, keep spreading the love, one slice at a time. Happy baking!